Smoking Brussels sprouts on the Traeger pellet grill has to be one of the best ways to enjoy them. This recipe for Traeger smoked Brussels sprouts includes bacon. So you're going to smoke the bacon directly on the grill grates at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then you remove the Brussels sprout stem and cut it in half, just like you would normally prep a Brussels sprout. You don't want any of the old kind of bits that are turning brown on it. And then you're going to add the cut Brussels sprouts to a large cast iron pan, and that's what you're going to use to smoke it. So once those Brussels sprouts are ready, you add all the seasonings on top, fully coat them, and get them in that cast iron pan. Now what you're going to use is some garlic that's minced, some onion, about half cup onion, a tablespoon barbecue rub, some salt, and some olive oil to help all of the ingredients stick to the Brussels sprouts. This is, like I said, one of the best ways to enjoy Brussels sprouts, if you ask me. Of course, you can make them in the oven or the air fryer, but smoking them makes them super tender, and you don't need to boil them ahead of time. All right, so here's that bacon. It's not completely crisply cooked yet, and that's perfect because we're going to add it into that cast iron pan as well with the Brussels sprouts, and it'll keep smoking in there. You can chop some of my favorite seasonings. Today I'm using the Texas sugar rub from Meat Church. So all of that goes into that cast iron skillet, and then you are ready to smoke the Brussels sprouts at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and 15 minutes. It just goes right into the Traeger like that. Again, at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that you could use the super smoker feature on your Traeger to give it even more flavor. So good. All right, so after that hour and 15 minutes, you want to increase the smoker temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook those Brussels sprouts in the smoker for another 10 to 15 minutes until you can pierce them with the fork and they're done to your liking. These aren't the super crisp fried Brussels sprouts that you're going to get in the oven or if you fry them, but these are so good. They're cooked really tender, delicious. I love some salty and sweet flavors on top. That's why I like to top mine with balsamic glaze and Parmesan cheese. Enjoy these, and please let me know how they turn out. And I have so many new smoker recipes coming for you here at Sip Bite Go. I will see you next time. Bye.